this thing is clistogamous. Everything fertilized inside and then it will come outside. Then if it has come outside means fertilization is over. If it is inside means still it is time, fertilization has not been like processed. So we assume that it is in uninucleate stage. Uninucleate means microspore से चाहिए. So if it is like pollen or spore, then only you expect that a haploid plant will come out. Okay. So if all this is the flag leaf. So whatever the flag leaf is protecting this is the boot leaf. We say all these are boots. Okay, boot leaf. So what you have to see, once this stage is coming after 1.5 months or 2 months, you have to collect these things. At what time you have to collect? Morning 8:30 to 9 when sunrise. Like ଯେତେବେଳେ ହାସି ହେଉଛି ଇଏ sun already ताप करे कि no. You should not collect it very early or in the evening time. Better you collect it at 8:30, 9 in the morning. After collecting, you must keep it for cold pre-treatment for 7 to 8 days. Now the question is why cold pre-treatment? Every kind of pre-treatment will give some kind of stress to the thing. So it will the efficiency of that induction will be better. It can be usually we do cold pre-treatment. You can also go for heat. You can go for osmotic some stress also. Okay. So you have to collect all these boots, put it in a polythene that I showed you. That polythene you keep it in 4-degree fridge. 4 degree, but you have to pack it well in paper and then in polythene so that water should not go inside. Okay. After keeping it in fridge for 7 to 8 days, also that 7 to 8 days will vary for genotype to genotype. If you can see that some varieties they are giving good result in 5 days, you should keep it for 5 days. How you will know that? When you will open it, you will see if that is overgrowth in the fridge also it will grow. It's not like it will not grow but mature. It will mature. So it's better you retain that. You are keeping it in fridge means you are retaining that ability of further development. But sometimes 5 days is good, sometimes 8 days is also good, sometimes 9 days is also good. So you have to, with time you will come to know that at which stage it is giving. How you will know? So you better differentiate. This is 5 days, this is after 7 days, this is after 8 days. Always you try, like the same you do in gradient PCR. So always you try to fix one parameter and do the variation. It's not like you will also vary for cold treatment, you will also vary for the media. So at that point you don't know because of what you got the result. So better one parameter you fix. Suppose you are doing it for cold pre-treatment. Only vary 5 days, 7 days, 9 days. See in which cold pre-treatment it is giving better results. Of course it can be for any reason, but you can do the experiment like that. Once it is done, once everything is ready, you have to prepare N6 media for anther culture, not MS media. MS media से ही लोगे, लेकिन different concentration is there. So you should not remove it and do the sterilization. You have to, it has to be intact. One big thing, this thing, not like this. Better you take a closed one. If you don't have any closed one, you put it this aluminum foil on this. So you put that. This should be sodium hypochlorite 4%. It is the cover no kariyo, this will come out. So it should be there for at least 10 minutes. Okay, 5-10 minutes. Then you should wear gloves because that sodium hypochlorite is also not
this
good
is
for
after the cold treatment.
After the cold treatment, I will give you the whole protocol, but you write. You put it in sodium hypochlorite, then you take it out. You have to wash it in the distilled water for 3 to 4 times. So wash it.
Why we are using sodium hypochlorite?
Sodium hypochlorite is sterilizing agent. You can use it for seed sterilization, for this thing and all. It is better. Okay. So also sodium hypochlorite, if replacement means 70% ethanol, mercury chloride so much you cannot prepare, na? And sodium hypochlorite is always very effective. Okay. So this sterilization part is very important. Okay. So once you remove, this is very important, that in which stage you are taking.
And which stage it was placed? Which stage you mentioned?
Uninucleate stage. Okay. If it is inside, we assume that it is in uninucleate stage. There is lot. You can also go for this pollen test. Okay. This you take, you smash it in a glass slide, put some strain, and you see uninucleate. I will show you my slides. Okay, that also you can do. Once you select, you can see these things. Which is the white dish, this This you discard. Nothing is there inside. And thus, can you see? If whole thing, if this is over matured, this is very immature. The middle portion is only good. Now actually it is nothing good. Okay, because why I am saying এটা বহুত ইমেচুred আছে। Okay, these are all secondary boots. Already rice, everything has come out. So just to show you, I bought this. So you can see the anthers are not visible also. It's very very immature. हाँ इसमें है छोटा सा. I'll show you. Everybody
Ma'am,
take one seed. You can just give one.
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଏଇଟା ଆଠରୁ ଆହୁରି କମ୍ ଡେଭଲପ୍ ହେଲା ଆମେ ନେବୁ।
No. Right stage ର development is important. I am saying that ଏବେ ସବୁ ଭଲରେ ବାହାରି ଆସିଛି ଧାନ। ଏବେ ଏଇଟା ସବୁ secondary boot ବାହାରୁଛି. These are very very immature. ଏ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ତକ ଯେତିକି ଅଛି ଆମେ ନେଇପାରିବା। ଏଠି ଆମେ କିଛି ନେଇପାରିବାନି। ଦେଖ ପୁରା ହ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏଠି ଏ ଭିତରେ। ତମେ ଯଦି ଡଷ୍ଟ କରିବ ଆନ୍ଥର ହିଁ ବାହାରିବନି। ଏଇଠି ଯଦି ଦେଖିବ there are some anthers. What is the principle is that suppose I am taking ଏଠି ଯେଉଁ anthers ଅଛି ଛଅଟା ଭିତରେ ଯେଉଁ 6 anthers are there inside. You should cut this one ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ କାଢ଼ିକି କରିବାର ନାହିଁ। ଏଇଟା ଏମିତି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ହେଇକି ରହିବ। ଏଇଟା ଯେମିତି ଏମିତି ହେଇଯାଉଛି ନା it will not happen like this. If you pull these things in right stage it will not happen like this.
ତାଠୁ
You have
ଟିକେ
to
ମଚ୍ୟୁର
cut
ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ ଆମେ ନେବାର ଅଛି।
Here, just put it. Everything you have to take like this. तो केमती काटिबो? I'll tell you. तो 8 cut base root, so that you will not hamper the anthers. Okay. This is a very difficult task, anther culture. I tell you, you will need lot of patience and right stage.
ଜଣା ବି ପଡ଼ୁନି କେଉଁଠି ମ୍ୟାମ୍
ଜଣା ପଡ଼ିଯିବ once you do first କିଛି ଦିନ ଜଣା ପଡ଼ିବନି then you will be habit ଥରେ ଦେଖିଦେଲ ନା କେଉଁଠି ହେଉଛି ପୁରା ବେସ୍ରେ କାଟିବ ଏଠି ଓକେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଗ୍ୟାପ୍ ଥିବା ଦରକାର otherwise your anthers will not come out ଏଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଛି this is not the right stage, this is very immature ଏତେ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ରେ ହେଲେ ହେବନି ଆଉ ଟିକେ ବଡ଼ ହେଲେ ତୁମ ଏଇ ଜାଗାଟା ଟିକେ ଏପଟକୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଥିବ so you will have some space. Just I am theoretically telling that this is the way you have to cut. Okay, so one person will be cutting, the other person will be dusting. Where is the forceps? Actually the forceps which we require, we don't have that forceps. That is a different kind of normal mota forceps ano mota duck. No, small forceps you don't need, you need a bigger one. That should be a bent forceps. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ वाला ट्यूब ଆଣ ସେ ସ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ ट्यूब ଦିଟା ଆଣ and forceps ଆଣ. So why I am saying this requires lot of patience, first thing. Second thing, it's all about doing experience. Once you do it, you know which is the stage you don't require, which is over matured. The middle portion will be perfectly done. The concept is anthers are there. Okay, you should cut at the base. It should not hamper the anther. It should be perfectly done. This way you have to continuously cut. One person will be taking and dusting. Those anthers should fall in the media. Oh, here it is. But I don't think this will help me in dusting also. You have to hold one this thing and dust it. So continuously you have to do. In a day 50 or 100 tubes if you are doing.
पूरा डस्ट कराଯିବ
पूरा डस्ट करो ऑटोमेटिकली छोटा
ଏମିତି
पड़
କିଛି ବାହାରୁନି।
बहुत I was doing 100 but initially when you will start you will do only 10 tubes. You will feel that बहुत ହେଇଗଲା ଆଜି ପାଇଁ. So but with time continuously we used to do till 9:30 10 o'clock in the night for that 1 month only na. After that you cannot dust, everything will come out. So rice season hardly you will get 25 days to 30. So after that everything, so you have to show them in batches. 10 plants in one batch, again 10 days you leave the gap, again you put some batches. So continuously you have the flow of boot leaves. Otherwise if you plant everything in at the same time, everything will come out at the same time. Put a stand here. Okay. But this is not very difficult, also not very easy. It will require some patience. Okay. And this slant they have done, it's not actually the right thing. They were also doing the first time. So you have to take less media and the slant should be more, not this way. Media they have taken more and slant is less now. You have to take less media, 25 ml something. The slant should be more so that this much of surface area you will get. Okay. So that while taking out the callus it will be easy. Now why anther culture is very tricky and difficult? Because there the callus are big, you can see. Here you need to require a dot shaped callus only. Little bit of small callus you have to touch in a needle, okay, loop wala this thing, and then you have to transfer. So it's bit tricky. When everything will be all right, we will prepare a video how we are doing. I'll send it in that group, so don't worry about it. Forceps. So I don't think anything will come out, but I'm just showing mota forceps. But anyways, for the this is not the forceps actually we use it. It is a like hand type of forceps. So it is very easy to hold this. So when you hold like this and you dust, surface area যদি বেশি থিব না आंसर गुड़ा एमती जमी पढ़ला जाए छोट छोट आंसर कंटिन्यूअसली fall. First what will happen, you know, when you will try, this will only fall inside, so don't worry about it. But only if you are experienced, now it is falling now, you can see the answer. Okay, so it's lot of patience is required. Like this continuously, one for one tube, 25 like this you have to put. Okay, so it's because I have done for 5 years, I can do it continuously like this, I don't feel bad. But you have to experience that thing, that maybe that will help. Can somebody cut some? Cut. So this is the way you need to dust. It is the tight रे न धरिबो, एटा भितर पड़े जबो, हला बेसी चापी दबो आंसर पड़िबोनी, आ बेसी डरिबो हातरू ही जीवनी, ता जब एते जो छोटे छोटे आंसर्स पड़ी छी कंप्लीटली से आंसर्स जति के सरफेस एरिया पड़ी जीवो, देन यू क्लोज दिस. ओके, एटा टिके रेड हॉट एमती कर दबो, क्लोज कलो. Prepare like this hundreds of 50 of tubes, put it in dark. After 21 days they will become dark brown in color, small callus will start coming out. Okay, so yes, ebe enti khushi re pura korucho, but that time you have to do it very fast. And somebody will be cutting, the other person will be dusting, otherwise it will dry. So can anybody try how to actually dust this one? Just a minute, I will just show one more time. You hold it like this, put the tube like this, and then dust it. Okay, it's not that difficult. Rocket science.